Beneath the surface of our oceans lie one of the Earth's best-kept secrets. Seagrass meadows only cover a tiny percentage of the ocean floor, but they play a huge role. They capture carbon quicker than rainforests and store it longer, protect coastlines from erosion, improve water quality, and provide a home for thousands of species, including endangered turtles and dugongs. One of the biggest seagrass ecosystems on the planet is here on the Great Barrier Reef. But climate change, extreme weather events, and urban development are causing it to disappear fast. So we're harvesting seeds from flowers in the wild and producing new seeds in the world's largest seagrass nursery, to restore seagrass at a scale far beyond traditional methods. By combining cutting-edge science and technologies, First Nations knowledge and economic innovation, we're increasing biodiversity and climate resilience while enriching local industries and communities. Because when seagrass thrives, so does the reef and our future.